Linking your bank account to Discord can enhance your experience by allowing you to make purchases and manage subscriptions easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to user settings. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Access the billing section. In the user settings menu, look for the billing option in the left sidebar. Click on it to access the billing and payment settings. Step 4. Add payment method. Within the billing section, find the option to add a new payment method. Select the option to link your bank account and follow the prompts to enter your bank details securely. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to complete the linking process. Now your bank account is linked to Discord, allowing for seamless transactions. Enjoy your enhanced Discord experience.